Hello everyone. Today we will recapitulate our chapter. Chapter name is banking. As earlier you have done this chapter, you also go through about its objective. The first objective is to find maturity values. Second is to find monthly installment when maturity value is given. Third, to find the rate of interest when maturity value is given. And fourth, to find monthly installment when simple interest is given. Now, before proceeding, we will discuss the definition of banking. The business of receiving, safeguarding and lending of money is called banking. Main function of banks are receiving money from depositors, lending money on demand, and third is providing other useful services to the society. Types of accounts. It has four types: saving account, fixed deposit account, current account and recurring deposit account. Today we are going to discuss about recurring deposit account. What is recurring deposit account? It is the account where the depositor deposits fixed amount of funds at a regular intervals of time. The time period is vary from 3 months to 10 years. Interest rate is calculated on the amount deposited. After a specified duration, the depositor receives a lump sum amount is called maturity value. Now, steps. Firstly, we will do its first step, that is simple interest, which is equal to principal into number of months into n plus 1 into r upon 2400. Second step is to find maturity value, which is equal to principal into number of months plus simple interest, where P stands for principal, N stands for number of months, R stands for rate of interest, SI is simple interest and MV is maturity value. As the recurring deposit account, we are depositing the amount per month. So we will also know how to convert 1 year into months. 1 year equal to 12 months. Similarly, 2 years will be 2 into 12, 24 months. 2.5 year, which is equal to 30 months. 3 years, 36 months. Similarly, 3 years and 6 months is equal to 3 multiplied 12 plus 6, which is equal to 36 plus 6, which is equal to 42 months. Now, we will discuss its first type. Statement is, Arvind deposit rupees 500 per month in RD accounts for 3 years at the rate of 8% per annum simple interest. Find the amount Arvind will get at the time of maturity. In this statement, rupees 500 is principal, 3 years is our time and 8% per annum is our rate. What we are going to find? Amount, that means maturity value. Now we will do its solution. Step 1. Let P is equal to rupees 500, N is given, that is 3 years, we will change into months, that is 36 months, rate 8% per annum. First step is to find simple interest. We will apply the formula. We will substitute the values by doing cutting. 2 zeros will cut with 2 0, 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36, 2 1s are 2 4s are 8. Now we will multiply the left out terms. We will get the simple interest, that is 2220. Step 2 is to find maturity value, which is equal to principal into number of months plus simple interest. By putting the value, we will get the maturity value, that is rupees 20,220. Hope type 1 is clear to all of you. You people are able to do the related sums. You will get the worksheet regarding these sums in Snap Homework. Thank you very much.